slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? Stuff back here once again, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at these Amiri jeans. These are from YesKicks. If you're new to the channel, show some love, drop a like on the video, turn on notifications, subscribe, all that. Also follow me on Instagram at RepKicks. And without further ado, let's get right into it. These took about 2 weeks to arrive, 3 weeks to arrive, give or take. I ordered them with 2 pairs of shoes. So, and I have been working with YesKicks for a minute now. So, buying from them, reviewing for them, I mean, you name it, I did it. So, that's pretty much it. Let's get right into it, man. What was I was gonna say something else. I forgot, whatever. Anyways, this is the information for the website itself. So, YesKicks.cn, email, WeChat, and if you use the code RevStuff, you'll save yourself $15 site-wide on your first purchase only. So, keep that in mind. As for the pants themselves, I've reviewed Amiri's from YesKicks before. I'll say it. I said it before. I'll say it again. It's a good place if you want something that is affordable, I guess, and just like as in like an everyday jean sort of thing, right? That looks a little bit cooler than the jeans you can get at H&M. Okay, they're not gonna be crazy. Some are inaccurate, so keep that in mind. With that out of the way, you know, disclosure, that's basically it. I don't condone buying any of this stuff you guys see in the videos. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine, like I always say. So let's get right into it. Sorry for the contrast, I know it's kind of bad, but here got some tags. It came in just a regular bag, didn't come in an Amiri bag, nothing. Got the Amiri tags here, nothing crazy. Inside, in terms of what's actually like on the jeans themselves, you can see there 38. I usually wear like 36, but I like sizing up on these. Not that they fit tight, but that way I can just take them to a tailor because I need to get them to a tailor anyways. And I do find with the jeans, guys, just so you know, a little disclosure, I do find with these jeans that the taper at the bottom of the leg tends to fit a little bit more loose than true Amiri's or better Amiri UAs would. So a lot of the time I have to take them to a tailor, pay 10 bucks, get them tightened up at the bottom, and then boom, I'm good to go. So keep that in mind in terms of the fit. And yeah, that's basically it. Let's get into it. I'm not gonna ramble on any longer. So these are the MX1, I believe they're called, or supposed to be after them. One thing you can tell, this stitch should not be this obvious. I mean, on camera it's a lot more obvious than it is in person, but either way, you can see a stitch all around. Regardless, it does look good on the inside and whatnot too, and for the price you pay, you really can't complain. You can pay more and get better quality. That's completely up to you guys. I don't really care because a lot of the time I wear these like out, you know, where I'm getting dirty or whatever the case may be, to work, whatever. So I really don't care as long as the quality themselves or itself is good on the jeans. That's what matters to me. But yeah, you can see, so this is where your right leg would be. That's basically all there is there. Some distressing here as well. Besides that, nothing else going on along the bottom of the pant leg. So this is where your left leg would be. So you got one here, kind of on like your thigh, another one on like your just below your knee or around your knee, and then nothing else. So excuse the dog hair or whatever is on that fluff dog hair, I don't even know at this point. The button does say Amiri on it, you guys can see that. Zipper does not, oh yeah, it is a YKK zipper, so I just say chicken wings so my nails be a little bit faded from that. Some buffalo wings, those bitches were fire, not bad. Along the back of the jeans, nothing crazy going on here. Y'all can see what's popping with that. Regular, no distressing along the legs, nothing like that. Does have the Amiri tag here, and that's basically it. There's not too much else to say about these jeans. Nice and simple. I mean, there's not a lot of detailed pictures when you order off YesKicks for jeans as well. So when I'm buying jeans on there, I just kind of pick something that I know Amiri did make, and usually ends up being close to, if not exactly like that. So that's basically it though, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Stay blessed, stay safe, stay healthy, get that bread. If you're new to the channel, show your boy some love. With that all out of the way, I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the rest of your day. If you have any questions, DM me on Instagram. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Stay tuned, more heat on the way. I got 2 more pairs of shoes to review in the same session, and then I'll just be dropping the videos randomly throughout the next couple days. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Catch y'all in the next one. Peace.